here's a last-minute dessert idea for your weekend festivities: s'mores cookie cups. They're easy, they're delicious, and don't say I didn't warn you, they are addicting. I am obsessed with making little edible cookie cups to fill up with all the things. My snickerdoodle apple pie bites took off like a rocket last season, and everyone loved them so much. So first, I've made up the s'mores cookie dough recipe, and all the recipes that you're going to need to make these are on my website in written printable form at gretchensveganbakery.com. Once you take them out, you'll see that they already have a slight indent, but I like to help them along with a teaspoon measure to make a larger indent to hold more stuff. And that stuff would be the ganache that gets filled up into each one. Now just go ahead and put them into the refrigerator to set while you make the vegan marshmallow. This is nothing more than Italian meringue made with aquafaba. And for those who don't know about Jack's magical beans, aquafaba is the water from a can of chickpeas. And when you whip it, it whips up to a perfect meringue just like egg whites from our past lives. The Italian part of this is where you boil sugar and water to 240 degrees Fahrenheit and then slowly drizzle that hot syrup into the whipping aquafaba. You get this beautiful, thick, glossy marshmallow that is really sturdy for your desserts and cakes. It's going to hold up for days, but believe me, these are not going to be around for even one day. These are so good. Toasted like every s'mores should be. Well, don't say I didn't warn you. I would definitely suggest to make a double batch of these. So go ahead and grab the recipes on my website at gretchensveganbakery.com. And until next time, happy vegan baking. Bye for now.